Good morning everyone. This is Dhanalakshmi. Today I am going to speak on hybridization concept. It is the topic when if you know the two things, that is first one, valency electron of central atom, and second thing, total number of bond pairs and lone pairs of molecule. If you know the two things, you can easily predict the hybridization of the any. I will explain clarity. I will take one example, that is water. How to find the hybridization of the water molecule? To apply two conditions, then you will get easily predict the of water and other any molecule also. First, in this water molecule, which is the central metal atom, we know that oxygen is the central metal atom. To apply the first condition, metal atom, I will tell you, carbon group having the 4 valency electrons, nitrogen group electrons, oxygen group having the 6 valence electrons, fluorine group having the 7 valence electrons. So in this molecule, oxygen is the central metal atom. The electrons are 6. I can write 6 valence electrons right on the oxygen atom. Write like this. Molecule having the 2 hydrogens. One hydrogen bonding with oxygen, another oxygen hydrogen also bonding with oxygen. That is the first condition is applied. Go for next condition. The total number of bond pairs and lone pair of the molecules. Count the bond pairs and lone pairs. Here, molecule having the how many bond pairs? Hydrogen is the one bond pair and another one is oxygen hydrogen is the another bond pair. That is the total bond pairs are 2. Coming to next one, lone pairs. To count the lone pairs of the molecule. This is the one lone pair, this one is the second lone pair. So total lone pairs are 2. Here total bond pairs and lone pairs is equal to 2 plus is equal to 4. Okay. So apply 2, then immediately we have to write easily to predict the hybridization. How to write? Here we already know that S orbital having one subcell, P having 3 subcells, and D orbital having 5 subcells. Next, we can apply hybridization process. Here total bond pairs and lone pairs is equal to 4. start with s orbital. Here yes you can write, that is the one subcell. Otherwise p subcells are 3. Here also one s orbital you can write, p orbitals are 3. 3 is equal to 4. Okay, that is equal to bond pairs and lone pairs total is equal to 4, and sp bonding orbitals involved in the hybridization of the molecule. Okay, clear? Go for another example. We can clearly and clarity. I can take ammonia NH3. That is, in this molecule nitrogen having the center metal atom. Otherwise valence electrons are 5. I can write like this: 5 valence electrons on the central metal atom. I can write like this. Here hydrogen atom, nitrogen, 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded with nitrogen. We can write here first condition is completed, and go for next condition, total number of pairs and lone pairs of the molecule. So here to calculate the bond pairs, 2 and 3, that is equal to bond pairs are 3, other pair is the 1. Here lone pair, here lone pair is equal to 1. The total bond pairs lone pairs is equal to 4. We can simply write hybridization of the NH3. Total bond pairs and lone pairs are 4. He can write the S is the 1 s orbital, and p 3 p orbitals we can write. Okay, the total is this total. So ammonia molecule hybridization is sp3. Understood this concept? Thank you.